This is an exciting day here at Trev Dealey Motorcycles. We have the LiveWire now on the showroom floor. So in this video, I want to go over some of the features of it, and then we're going to go over the controls, and in the end, I'm going to show you how to charge this motorcycle. The bike features Michelin Scorcher tires, Brembo brakes, and also Showa front and rear suspension, which is fully adjustable. The rear is a monoshock. On both front and rear, you can adjust the preload on it. You can also adjust the compression and the rebound, so you can really get that suspension dialed in for performance. And this is a performance motorcycle. It will do 0 to 100 kilometers in 3 seconds. So you want to make sure that you get everything dialed in properly. It features a 15.5 kilowatt battery system. It is Samsung batteries. Underneath here is the motor. The motor does take half a liter of oil, but this is a fully electric vehicle. On top is the charging port for level 3. So you open it up and you can put it on the charger. We'll check that out in a couple of minutes. Underneath this rear seat, it opens up, and this is where you have the standard level 1 charger that you can plug into your house. And I'll show you that in a couple minutes as well. This bike is 549 pounds, and it is a fast and fun motorcycle to ride. Let's check out the controls now. If you're used to a regular Harley, this is gonna seem very familiar. They do have the on-off switch here. Hazards. This is your starter. I will show you that in a second because it's a little bit different. Here is your right-hand turn signal. This button is the mode button where you'll cycle through the modes. Here is a joystick to go through when you're riding, so instead of using the touch screen. Over on the left-hand side, so we'll go over to the left-hand side. On the top, you do have a trigger to go through the odometer and trip meters. You have traction control, so you can set that on and off. High beam, low beam, you can alternate between them. Your horn, left turn signal, talk button, so if you do have your phone connected. Joystick also for the system, and a cruise control. Now, we're gonna turn it on. So we've turned it on and the screen's gonna come up. And the one thing you're gonna notice here once the screen comes up is that it says raise side stand. So to get the bike going, we're gonna have to actually bring the stand up. So it will not go with the stand down. So I'm just gonna quickly get on the bike and bring it up and bring up the stand. Now once the stand is up, it will say on it, press start. So you're gonna go over to the starter and just hold it in. Once you've held it in, it's gonna have 2 green lights on the side. That means it's in propulsion mode. It is ready to go. In this mode, as soon as you grab the throttle, it's gonna start to move. If you bring down the side stand, it's gonna say on it, raise side stand. It's out, it's turned off, so it will not go anymore. If you put the side stand back up, you're gonna have to go press start to put it on. The other thing you notice, like once you have it on and the green lights are, there's a slight pulsing in the seat. So you can feel, even if you're not looking at the screen, you can feel that it's on and ready to go. There's a slight pulsing that you'll feel in the seat. And as soon as you grab the throttle, you'll be ready to go. This is how you're gonna charge the bike at home. The charger for level 1 charging is under the seat. So to open the seat, there's a little tab here that you're gonna pull forward and open it. It will lock into place. Now inside, nicely tucked inside, is the charger for level 1 charging. You're gonna take everything out. So you're gonna pull out all the cabling, and then the charging port on top of the bike, open it up, and you need to connect the charger in, make sure it clicks in, and then all you gotta do is plug it into your wall, just like that. And it will take about 11 hours to fully charge it. Now we're gonna show you, go outside and show you how to connect it to the level 3 charger, which is gonna charge the bike much faster. You'll get to 80% in 40 minutes. So let's see how to do it on the level 3 charger. Just tap it, it will pop open, and then you're just gonna plug it in. And just like that, it's that easy. Once you have it plugged in, you're going to either need the ChargePoint card or app. Once you have that, it will get going, it will start charging. You're going to see on the screen here, it's going to show you the status, time that it needs to charge to get to the full charge again. And then once it's charged up, you can also monitor through your Harley-Davidson app. So if you want to go for a coffee, you can see through the app the status and then come back once it's fully charged.